Hey guys, welcome back to our channel and honeygirlsworld.com. Today we are coming to you guys. We're going to make a Furikake Chex mix. Everybody is kind of losing our marbles already. We've been indoors for a month and we want new ideas for snacks and new things. So I figured it's the perfect time to start pulling out some of our oldies but goodies that we enjoy. To create this, you are going to need one bag of Bugles. I call them Bugles. And that is the 7.5 ounce bag. I have one bag of Wonton chips. This is just the way I make mine. Everybody is different. This is a 4-ounce bag. I suggest 2 of these, but they were expensive. So yeah. You're going to need corn or rice Chex. And this is the 12-ounce. I will be using pretty much this whole box. I like the Sniders pretzel sticks. That's this one here. And this is the 16-ounce bag. I still have some left in here, so I used about 3/4 of it. I might use more. And then I have the HoneyComb Cereal. This is the, what size is this? This is 12.5 ounce size. And you can use all of it, or I would say approximately 3/4 of the box. You are also going to need some kind of Furikake. This is this particular one, and it's basically just a nori mix with sesame, seaweed, and stuff like that. You are going to need butter, so we are using the, did I buy unsalted? Well, it says unsalted, so I guess that's what I gotta use. I normally use the salted, but we have unsalted. This is the 16-ounce or 1 pound, so you would need all 4 of these. You're going to need some Worcestershire sauce or Worcestershire, whichever you decide to call it. You're going to need granulated sugar, approximately a cup. I like to do a cup of granulated sugar and approximately a 1/4 cup of brown sugar because I like the texture that it comes. And then you could do some garlic powder, but I'm going to use Adobo all-purpose seasoning, and I'll put the measurement down below. So I'm gonna get all this stuff together in a pan, and I'll be back. Also, just wanted to let you guys know, you want to preheat your oven. I have my oven preheated at 275. Now that mixture will make a very large amount, so what we're going to do is actually half a portion is going to be with Furikake, the other half is going to be kind of a cinnamon, like a sweet, salty kind of mix, but without the Furikake. And yeah, so we'll be back after everything's melted to show you what to do. Okay, now my helper is going to help put Furikake all over. And we use, depending on the size, I had to transport the container, so this is my Pyrex. We will probably use 1/4 to half of a Furikake container. So we're just going to add that in. Now we're just mixing, incorporating it in all that Furikake goodness. And then we're going to go ahead and add the butter mixture. So it's been going. I actually went ahead and added just a little bit of brown sugar in there. I'm gonna go ahead and pour that in. So we don't need a lot for this one. It's more than enough. Go ahead and stir that up, Mr. Lukey. I'm gonna make sure we get that good and underneath over. There we go. Want to make sure that all your pieces are pretty much coated, because that is what's going to give it that kind of sweet and savory. So this one has a furikake. The other pan is going to just be with the cinnamon, with the sugar and butter mixture. Just gonna keep adding this as we need. Okay, so the butter mixture was put on the regular Chex mix. So this one is going to be like a sweet and salty kind of combo without the furikake. This one is going to have the furikake, and I actually added about another tablespoon worth of furikake because I like that extra. It's going to go into the oven. The oven is 275 degrees and it'll be in there for about an hour. While it's in there, we kind of take it out and stir it every 15 minutes or so, just because you don't want anything sticking to the bottom. But yeah, and we'll be back to show you guys how it all looks. All right guys, here is the final product. This is the Furikake Chex mix. Like I said, we do things a little bit different in our household. You have some Wonton chips. I like to use honey nut Cheerios, but it wasn't on sale. So you have the honeycomb, which a lot of people tend to do. And I do like a lot of furikake in mine, but that's what it looks like. This is the final product, and I will head on over and show you what the other Chex mix looks like. And then here's the regular standard one that does not have furikake, and it just tastes so good. Sweet, salty, awesome goodness. So thank you guys for joining us today, and I will put all the ingredients and measurements down below in the description box, and you will be seeing this on the blog as well. So definitely check out honeygirlsworld.com, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram and TikTok and Twitter and Facebook and all that good stuff. Hope you guys are staying safe during the lockdown and quarantine season and our time during this pandemic time. And maybe you can make some of this too to help kill some of that monotony. Talk to y'all soon. Bye guys.